Guys, so I am excited to show you how to make this stylish reversible bonnet. I have done a bonnet before on my channel, but this is quite different, so let's get right into the video, you guys. So you go right ahead and fold your fabric into 4. You fold into 2 first and then the next into 4. And once you're done doing that, make sure you have this pointy close edge like I do, because you'll be placing your tape from there and then taking your measurement around the fabric. So the measurement to be taken around the fabric is 16 inches, just as seen on the video. While you're taking the measurement around the fabric, make sure that the tape does not move from that point where you placed it, the pointy close edge. And then also remember that if you want your flay to be as much as mine on the bonnet, you can take 16 inches, but if you want it to be lesser, you can take 15 or 14, but 15 is safer. I am done taking the measurement around the fabric. I'll go ahead and cut this piece out. This is the first piece. Since I am going to be making a reversible bonnet, I need another piece. So what I'll do now is fold another fabric into 4 and place this first piece on that fabric and trace it out. As you can see now, I have 2 pieces of fabric, 2 different colors. So what I'll do right now is I'll place this on each other, right side facing the right side, and then I'll take it to my machine and sew by 1/2 inch. I didn't totally sew this all. I left a tiny piece of space because I'll be flipping this from the inside out. So that's why I left this small piece of space. So you remember to do this, guys. The next step is to chuck in 3 inches. So I'll be chucking in 3 inches round this fabric. After chucking in 3 inches round the fabric, I won't be taking this to my machine to sew yet. I'll be chucking in another 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch round this fabric, because this is where the band is going to be sitting. So I'll go ahead now and chuck in 1.5 or 1.25 inch round this fabric again from that 3 inches. Sorry, after the 3 inches, after the 3 inches, the 3 inches line, I will go ahead and chuck in another 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch. Once I am done with all that, I'll be taking this to the machine to sew around the fabric on the lines I just took. So I'll make sure I follow the line, I trace it out and sew around it. The 3 inches too, I didn't totally sew in all the space. I left a bit of space because I'll be passing my band through that. Remember how I left a space to flip this fabric inside out? Yeah, that is the same thing I did on the 3 inch, because I'll be passing my band through that hole before I close those space. This is a band I'll be passing through this fabric. This band is 19 inches long and it is 1 inch wide. So I'll go ahead and use my safety pin and then hook the 2 different edges, because I'll be once I'm passing this through the fabric, I don't want it to get lost inside. Using one safety pin, I'll be hooking this to the fabric and then the other will pass through, and then once I am done passing this through, I'll go ahead and close the band together. I'll join the band together, and then those space I left on the fabric, I'll be closing them up. You guys, that is it. So please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you find it very interesting. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I want to see those thumbs up, please guys. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, and also click on the notification bell when you're subscribing so you can get notification whenever a new video is being uploaded. And if you be coming to this page and not subscribe, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel today, and don't forget to help me share this video, you guys. Thank you for watching this video. I really do appreciate you guys. Bye.